come up to do the Grey Mare's Waterfall, but it seems as if it's a path up the side of a mountain, and I'm pretty sure I'm not dressed for this because I wasn't expecting to come out today. Aki's was going to join me until he also saw it was up the side of a mountain. There's midges everywhere. Like, I was letting them in the motor, getting out, they're on my face. Everyone else is like, seems to be hiding out in their vehicles and that here. And I think it's because it is the midget hour. I don't care, I just want to get this walk out of the way, get up as far as I can, and then see what we can see. And then if it's easy enough to get to, I'll maybe come back again and like Aki's can maybe make the attempt and Alexis can join us too, you know. Got all these sheep and all the wee lambs as well. Like, I'm not going to hassle them, like they can go and hide, I'm not chasing sheep. Oh, look at this place though. It's just pure like wilderness. Everywhere is just hills and shade. Wee patches of sunlight every so often. I wonder if places are more midgey-full over water. I think that might be right. Is it mosquitoes like to hover over water? I don't know. So, let's go have a wee look at this. Nice stone seats in it. It's been a while since I was out doing a hike on one of these trips. I don't know if I'm fit enough to get up all this mountain. And honestly, like, it's high. But we'll see if we can get close to this waterfall here. So let's see what we've got. The Grey Mare's Tail Nature Reserve. Send that river to put me to sleep, isn't it? The roaring Lynn, where deep down and far within toils with the rocks the roaring Lynn, they're issuing forth one foamy wave and feeling round the giant's grave. White as the snowy charger's tail drives down the pass of Moffat. Nice wee poem for us. And that's what we're going up to have a wee look at. Oh, it's not warm in the shade, I tell you, the sun's been out all day, that's why we thought we'd come out. But yeah, no, it is not warm in the shade that is created by all of these large hills and rocky kind of mountains. It is becoming the sunset. Clouds are getting a wee bit of a pinky tinge. It'd be nice if they went kind of pink-red when we're up it, if we get up to the waterfall. Again, I'm promising nothing. Like, uneven paths, please wear suitable footwear. I am not, because I have not done that yet. Do you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'll do it tonight, I promise. Tonight I will get decent Scottish tour footwear, because I complain about that every single time I'm out, and I never do anything about it. I always forget. So I'm going to make sure you hold me to it. Oh god, the mitches. Oh, my face is itchy. Oh my goodness. Oh, that alone was quite the... And I don't know what that looks like on the camera, but that is really steep. Like, that's all really steep. I don't know that I'm fit enough for this. It'd be good to come down like at the start of a day, because it's getting on today, and I think if we were able to really take our time going up, I think that might make it seem more feasible or more unbearable. Oh, I did not expect to be doing this today. This wee trip is out the blue a wee bit. Just because it was a nice evening. It's further away than we thought. It says that Greysteil is in Moffat, but it's quite a wee bit outside of Moffat. Yeah, no. I've got burning leg muscles already. Good. I need the exercise. Get back into swinging it before our summer Scotland tour to Inverness and the surrounds, and Stirling and Edinburgh. Maybe get to see a wee bit of Peebles. Okay, I'm going to stop for a minute. Oh my god, my legs are freaking burning. That's the car next to the red van. I'm going to be coming down off this mountain on my butt, I think. Seems like an easier prospect. Oh my goodness. Glad I brought juice with me. But we'll see if we can get to at least a decent vantage point of the waterfall, if not next to it. We'll get as close as we can. I will persevere. I don't want to startle a sheep and have it knock me down the hill. But if I start talking now, it'll maybe decide it doesn't want to have anything to do with me. Oh, the lamb was going in for some milk there, and the mom was like, nope, now's not the time, there is a stranger nearby. Oh my goodness, this is so steep, and there's quite a wee wind blowing. That it actually feels a wee bit like I could be pushed backwards off the thing, you know. It doesn't feel very steady or safe in the wind this high up on such unsteady ground. Oh, we just keep getting higher. Oh my goodness. This is really quite the slope. My hands are really cold. I didn't even bring gloves because it was such a nice warm day out, and well, again, I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting to be here. I've got sheep watching me all over the place. It's going to get to the point where I'm too far into their dominion and they know it. That'll be it. Kidnapped by the sheep. I don't know, what do you have to sit down? Not just to feel a bit more steady, but to give my legs a wee bit of a break. Let's have a look and see what's round about us. Not sure what's over there, whether that's some water, trees or a wall, I don't know. That's Aki's car in right in, and he's still miles away. Right. Oh my goodness. Even just to get to the top of this is a... We'll do it, we'll persevere, we can do this. I might put my phone away for a wee bit though. And then I've just got both hands because it's really steep. And it might be a wee bit easier. I'll be back in a wee minute. We're almost at a point where we can get a sight of the waterfall. You can hear it getting louder. We're not going to make it all the way to it. It's just too much and too long of a hike. I would need to have to stop and take a breather at a time. Oh my goodness. So this is what we've come to see. This is the Greysteil's tail. I've out past Moffat. I feel like there's another straighter path here. I'm not sure what kind of view you get. Maybe we could cut off to some of those mountains here where it ends, but so the sun is setting over the Greysteil's waterfall. I am stoked to have even made it this far. I won't be doing this one again. If folk I'm with want to come to the Greysteil, by all means, but I'll be staying in the motor because my heart is going 10 to the dozen. Right. And yeah, I think if I attempted to get right to it, that wouldn't bode well. I think I would kill myself. So this is the viewpoint from, I guess, stage 1, the first point at which you can really see this waterfall. Here, it's fairly obvious, like if you're wanting to visit, you can see that the road just snakes through the mountains and it's so level and open where the turn-off is. It's all signposted, you really can't miss it. And for those with maybe weaker constitutions like myself, maybe that wee path over the other side might be doable, but again, I don't know if it's a path, I don't know if it's open. They've got gates up on different parts to stop people from falling, and we've got one at the end of the path there, Mare. But yeah. Right, I'm heading back to the car. I'll see you when we get there. We're back down to that massive hike. I thought we could stop off and see a wee bit. My legs are like jelly after climbing all that. And even coming down, I thought coming down would be easier. And my legs are in disagreement with me on that. Okay, so I need to leave here because, well, it's infested with midges. So, and it's fine, like they're just like midge bites or nothing, they're itchy. It's getting them in your mouth and up your nose and in your eyes and stuff. I'm not into that. So yeah, we'll go back to the car and Take this one off our list, I think. Definitely happy to. Like, maybe with a drone we could get closer to it. But not with my legs. Like, no, not.